Dear students, welcome in daily UPSC editorial article program. In this editorial program, daily we we read important newspaper articles. So, in continuation in that, today's program is New Phase The Hindu. The headlines: 1 August 2025. Nisar has kept a decade-long bilateral effort of NASA and ISRO. The GSLV F-16 mission lifted off from Sriharikota on July 30, placing the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar (NISAR) satellite into a sun-synchronous orbit. The ascent capped a decade-long bilateral effort and opened a new phase in global Earth observation cooperation. NISAR is a 2.8-ton observatory that combines a NASA-built band radar with an ISRO-made S-band radar. Also a first, they allow NISAR to detect surface changes measuring only a few centimeters, even though cloud and vegetation. NISAR will supply freely accessible data on ground deformation, glacier flow, biomass, land use changes, and sea ice dynamics. As its dawn-dusk orbit repeats every 12 days, its radar will be able to revisit the same point under nearly identical lightning conditions. This geometry, coupled with a duty cycle exceeding 50% in the L band, has been designed to yield closely spaced time series observations that can quantify geological process. Indeed, its various engineering first lead up to NASA's unusually broad science agenda: map man- mangrove extent, urban subsidence, crop-soil interactions, and calving rates in polar ice shelves in a single orbital cycle. Its data could help support the Sendai framework on reducing disaster risk and refine IPCC models. For ISRO, flying a flagship payload on the GSLV Mk second rocket is notable. For for a vehicle once dubbed "Naughty Boy" for its early career setbacks, the ISRO-NASA partnership would also have eased technology transfer between the two countries. Developing the S-band radar would have demanded tighter tolerance in radio frequency electronics, thermal stability, and data throughout than previous Indian satellites. From a diplomatic standpoint, the launch confirmed that India can be trusted with high-value hardware and demanding integration schedules. Although it is still learning to shape joint mission on equal terms, the 12-meter reflector, the Ka-band downlink, and much of the flight software stack were imported, and the key design reviews were led by NASA. Achieving parity will require large domestic investigations in advanced materials, deep space communications, and system engineering, plus earlier Indian involvement in forming the scientific agenda of future multilateral missions. NISA's data downlink rate also presents a challenge. ISRO must expand its Ka-band ground network, automate cloud-based processing, and release analysis-ready product within hours. If state agencies are to make timely use of the data, sustaining the time-wise data will also depend on authorizing follow-on SAR spacecraft before 2013 and finalizing data sharing rules that encourage private analytics while protecting sensitive scenes. Addressing these gaps will determine how fully NISA's potential is realized in India. Thank you. Thank you. Stay tuned for Hindi editorials.